the Midtown Employment Office here has some flooding, but we're still open. Just row your boat down to Broadway and 47th to come in and fill out a form. All right. Number 1, 2, 3 is next. Number 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Big Bird, it's you!
Yes.
I've watched your show since I was a little kid.
Why, thank you.
Let's look at your file. It says here that you were in the entertainment or educational field, well, I can vouch for that, and that you've held your job for the last 43 years.
That's right.
Can I ask what happened in order for you to lose that job?
Well, it was about the financial cliff. I was the trade-off. The Republicans wanted me fired and the Democrats gave me up.
So the government fired you?
Yes, it's part of the new jobs program.
Okay, then, let's see. It says you're eligible for up to 46 weeks of unemployment benefits, which is nice. Oh, but, only if you're actively seeking work. Are you willing to work?
Oh, sure. What's work?
You know, the stuff you've been doing for 43 years.
Oh, you mean just be myself? That's very zen.
Okay, well, given that your old job isn't available, you might have to expand your search somewhat. What do you know about the food industry?
Well, I don't know if they'd hire me. Most of the people I see behind the counters are teenagers.
Well, perhaps they'll be flexible. How old are you?
78.
Oh. Well, you know that expression, the old chicken makes the best soup?
I'd rather not go there.
Okay, well, let's see. How about Hotel Del Mar?
I don't really fit into elevators very well.
A traffic cop?
I tend to just let people go where they want to go.
I hate to have to tell you this, but I don't think today's world is for you.
Nothing?
You didn't happen to set aside a nest egg while you were working, did you?
No, I just worked for Chicken Feed. I was happy to be part of a semi-autonomous collective.
Well, I'm afraid that's all over now. You'll just have to move on. There's nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Nothing at all?
Nothing.
Oh, that's very disappointing. Oh. Well, it's been a good run. I guess that's the end. I guess I'll never get to play with Grover or Oscar or little Abby again. Okay. Goodbye, Bert and Ernie. Goodbye, Elmo. Goodbye, the Count and the Cookie Monster. And goodbye, Snuffleupagus. I'll miss you most of all. Goodbye, everybody. Bang!
Oh my God. Oh my God! I killed Denver! I killed the dream maker for millions of children around the world. No more will little faces look up to him in awe like a giant simpleton skyscraper. No more will we see this audacious bird
this cavernous canary, this yahoo and yellow, this alphabetic avian, this flightless phoneticist. No more will we hear him mistake the entire alphabet for a single word and sing, Abcadefi Jekyllmanocrastubuses. It's the most incredible word I've ever seen. Abcadefi Jekyllmanocrastubuses. I wish I knew exactly what it means. It starts out like an A word, as anyone can see.
But somewhere in the middle, it looks awfully curt to me.
1, 2, 3, 4. Abcadefi Jekyllmanocrastubuses. If I ever find out what that word can mean, I'll be the smartest bird the world has ever seen. Whoa. Are you all right?
I think so. It looks like the bullet only penetrated the styrofoam. Hi, I'm Carol Spinney. I've been inside this costume for 43 years.
Wow, it must get pretty funky in there.
Yeah, it's a little gamey.
You know, the truth is, I've always wanted to get into show business myself. I've been working on some material with a puppet that looks like a toad. Say, how would you like to start a doubles act? We could start at Washington Square, entertaining all the people who've been displaced by Hurricane Sandy.
Well, that sounds like an excellent idea. Maybe we could meet some new friends.
You'll have to patch the costume. Oh, and while you're at it, you should get the whole thing dry cleaned, because damn.
Okay.
I was waiting for that. Whoa! Jesus. It's a little weird, but it's green.
It's not easy being green.
Yeah.